I haven't slept and I don't even want to.
Yeah.
In fairness now. Right, me and Jay are finishing up an absolutely lovely morning stroll up the Slieve Bloom Mountains. Finished off on an iced coffee. I will roll on all that footage now. Yeah, hope you enjoy. Right, it's just coming up on 10 to 6. The sun hasn't even started to come out yet, which is absolutely ideal because sunrise is in about an hour and a half and we have like an hour's travel altogether. So should be good. Bring you guys with me. So gonna get chasing now. Let's go. Right, it is just 7 o'clock. Mist is clearing and we want to be, you definitely can't see it, but there's a little stack just on the far hill. Right, this is not the, I think they're called Stone Men. This is not the Stone Man that I was looking to go to, but I think it's even better because there is literally nothing in the way. The fog has absolutely ruined our little view there. That's just typical Irish weather, like, isn't it? You just have to go and hope that the weather holds off.
If you're waiting on the weather to finish, you can never run anywhere.
You'll be waiting, yeah. You'll be waiting all year. Actually, look, we'll walk up to that other stack, will we? It might clear up. Yeah. This is originally where I wanted to go, actually. I'm sorry, but look at that. Not a bad start to the weekend, is it? No. Oh, this is the sun we wanted. Obviously it's not, we didn't catch it rising, but look at that. Right, I'm home and showered now, but I am absolutely shattered, so I'm gonna jump into bed for a few hours. If this psycho would stop. What are you doing? Thanks for watching again. Hope you enjoyed and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.